Hello and welcome to this episode of VS Code extensions that will make your life easier. In today's video, I'm going to show you two VS Code extensions that will change the look of your VS Code, make it easier for you to track paths, make it easier for you to see errors, and basically makes your VS Code more beautiful and easier to navigate. This is going to be done in few clicks. It takes almost no time. So we're going to change our VS Code from this boring look to this exceptional, easy to use look. For us to do that, first of all, open your VS Code, go to the extensions tab. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and help us reach more audience. Right here, search for an extension called Night Owl. On this extension, click on install. When it's done installing, select the Night Owl and imagine the transformation immediately. Okay, so now this is what our code looks like. Everything is now easy to track. The same color for similar things, C class names having the same color. Everything is now easier to track with this Night Owl. Then the second extension is going to change this our directory paths. As boring as it is, let's make it exciting. So we'll come back to this extensions tab and search for material icon. Here. So install it and select it. There you have it. Now you can track your different file types, your folder types. It even goes down to the point of giving your folder icons different images. Look at these routes. Look at styles. This is SCSS logo. It makes it easy for you to track your path and for you to be able to successfully use your VS Code. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and help us grow. Thank you.